going to Myrtle Beach and you need a gorgeous vacation rental, but you're on a budget. Hi, I'm Dana from Rent Expert, and in this brief video, we'll tell you how to find that perfect place for your friends and family within your budget and how to avoid costly mistakes. The sights and sounds of Myrtle Beach are incredible. It's a city with thousands of condos and homes to choose from for your vacation. No matter the location, you need peace of mind that the rental you book is exactly how it was portrayed. At Rent Expert, we handpick the absolute best managers in the area who have high standards in cleanliness and hospitality. We also have the largest number of properties with options for every budget. Save yourself from comparison shopping across multiple sites. Find the best deals all in one place with us. Finally, when you book through Rent Expert and register your vacation, we promise to take care of you and guarantee your rental. Have a wonderful time on your Myrtle Beach vacation, and before you go, check us out on Facebook and Twitter and play our latest online game Low Biddy for prizes.